Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cicada. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cicada, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a nice oval shape for an eye. Then over here we're going to make the second eye and we're just going to make a smaller oval shape. So I'll just make a smaller oval shape like this. I'm going to put a little dot inside of here for the pupils of our cicada. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves across. And then right here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve up. Then we're going to come down and up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around and then up here. Then I'm just going to make a couple little curved lines right around the front here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line here and a little curved line here. And then a small little line right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up. We're going to bring this down and then around here. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves here. Next, starting here, let's start with the legs. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes down. We're going to curve it up and then come up here. Next, we're going to curve this line up, make a little bump, and then bring it back here. Next, we'll draw two lines that come down. And we'll make two little points at the end. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve up. We're going to bring it up to here and then back. I'll bring this line down with a little sad face. And then bring this line up. Then we'll add a little line down. And we'll put two little bumps on it and bring it up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, make a little bump, and bring it back. We'll make two lines that come down, and then a little sad face. We'll make two little skinny lines down and connect them. And then two lines out here with two little points. Next, we'll bring this line out. We'll make a little bump and then bring it back. We'll make two lines that come down. And then a line across. Two lines that come out. And then two little points for the feet. Now, let's make the wing. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve out to here. Then I'm going to bring this back here. And then we're just going to curve it right to here. Then I want to draw the back of our cicada, so let's just draw a line that's just going to curve up and down here. And another one's just going to curve up to here. Now I'm going to draw a second line that's just going to come down and then right to here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down. I'm going to curve it up and bring it back down. I'm going to bring this up here and back down. And I'm going to bring one up here and then back down again. And then I'll curve this to here. Then right up here, I'm just going to make a couple little bumpy lines that go right over to the edge. And then let's just make some little lines that are just going to kind of come down and then kind of connect in different little spots. Now for the other wing, let's draw a line that's just going to curve up. We're going to bring it up here and then back down. We'll make a little line that just curves up here. And then we'll make two little pointed lines right here. We'll make that same kind of bumpy, wavy line. And then just kind of connect some of these down here. I'm going to add a couple little broken lines kind of right around the body of our cicada. And then a couple little lines kind of right around the legs. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes off here for an antenna, and then one over here for an antenna. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cicada. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.